Hi, it's Miles Red Songbird. Miles Red Birdsong, the Michelle Birdsong in New York City. Talk and Share Method of Overcoming Grief is an ebook by the Michelle Birdsong at Amazon Kindle Amazon Kindle store. So if you're having problems getting over your grief, or even if you're just beginning to grieve, you might want to check out that book. It's very, very helpful and so easy. All you have to do is read the questions. Okay, let's sing Birdsong here. I think this is about part 4 of the funeral in Pictures of Edwin Birdsong. This is Son Sing Birdsong. It says Sing Birdsong was Mozart. Michelle Birdsong was Beethoven. Robin Birdsong was Michelangelo. So, who knew? These people still lived, right? Sing Birdsong was also Jimi Hendrix. That's his hand playing the guitar. And Birdsong, Edwin Birdsong, had created a label for Sing. And Sing drew the name and Edwin drew the lines. It's a very good logo, right? Called Perfect Love In. Love is in play. Love is in the air. Love is everywhere you let it be. Sing was George Gershwin. He was Richard Rogers. He was the grandson of the sun, King Arthur. He was King Menelaus, King Charlemagne, and Sing as king of the world. And I'm sad to say he had an accident. A truck hit him in a car. He was riding, and thank God he wasn't on his motorcycle. And he's shaken, and Robin can't get a hold of him, so we don't have a current report to tell you about how he's doing, but last we heard he was, he thought he was okay. These are his, some of Edwin's children. That's Sing, that's Robin Birdsong, Sterling, Anthony, Angela, Linda Gale, Tia, and this one is all, notice her body language is not like the others. She's leaning like the Tower of Pisa, and we think that she needs to give them a DNA test before she collects any money as Edwin's child, because she doesn't look like him. She doesn't look like the rest of his children. Her body language is not normal, so they would deserve a DNA test. This is Edwin's Birdsong album cover, What It Is, and that's another of his album covers. Notice the difference. When he was with me, he was very natural. He was holding his arms like that because he didn't have on a shirt, and he was in a cold photography studio, so he's trying to keep warm. That's why his arms are like that. And up here, he kind of looks kind of pimpy. He said to me after we divorced, and nothing much was happening for him, did I think he should become a pimp? And I said, of course not. I know Stevie Wonder's father was a pimp. So, all right, I want to read this to you. Edwin Birdsong Funeral and Pictures. Edwin told me once that when he died, he wanted Sing to distribute his belongings. He said he knew